Hey, Colin Lay here with Lay Roots. Wanted to jump on and do a quick live video here. Today I was meeting with a new client and we were, going through things, discussing options and what kind of plan he could set up to make sure that he is more protected from stupid lawsuits. And, partway through the meeting, he suddenly kind of panicked, this expression changed on his face and it was got kind of quiet. He's like, wait a second, this is all legal, right? And, it doesn't surprise me that somebody would ask that because, one, sometimes I've had people ask, why doesn't everybody do this? And so they're wondering if it's, too good to be true. And two, there's a lot of bad press with some asset protection planning. It's not always seen very favorably in the press, but it's kind of like taxes. I mean, when I first started a business, I was, trying to save money by doing my taxes and my bookkeeping by myself. And I did that for a few years. And one year, I put some sort of deduction in the wrong place and I got audited. So I hired a CPA and discovered that, I was actually owed a bunch of money back from the IRS and I had been paying too much in taxes. So so basically I'm saying asset protection is similar to taxes. If you want to pay less in taxes, you have to take action and do something about it. If you just keep paying more than you want to or more than you have to, then nobody's going to tell you anything differently. But if you want to start making some deductions and doing some smarter tax planning, you have to do something about it. So it's similar with asset protection planning. There's a lot of things you could lose, a lot of assets you could lose if you get drawn into some sort of stupid lawsuit. But if you take action ahead of time, you can put a plan in place so that you have options. So, your back is never against the wall if you end up in court, and hopefully lawsuits never happen in the first place. But you've got a plan in place to react and to discourage and mitigate any potential losses. So all the planning is perfectly legal. It's all allowed, and you just have to do it. That's the thing. It's totally legal. It's allowed. You just have to do it. So, are you going to do it? Are you going to take action? Let me know in the comments. Maybe that's the thing. Or hit like, something like that. If you found this helpful, let me know. Thanks.